Okay, Estrada de Coelho do Amaral. We'll definitely tell you what's all about going on around here in a minute. Including this building and that building. Definitely going to check out that building as well, both of those in greater detail. Anyways, come back for this.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are, Estrada de Coelho de Amaral. We have this kind of typical street. My last video is kind of talking about these kind of 5-story structures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a rooftop of kind of makeshift stuff. And this whole area is kind of marked by that. We're in Cotai, which is kind of a it's like 3 lanterns district is up here. So Indonesians, Burmese, a lot of Indonesians, Burmese live up here. Definitely Chinese, of course. Everybody lives up everywhere in Macau. But those are some of the marked communities. There's an ambulance. Chengdu Hospital is not too far away. They're gonna let us go. So, and then here's the fire station right here. And beautiful, beautiful building. You can kind of see in there a little bit. This is a fire station. And you can't really see the reflection. And you have to, I don't really want to go in right now. But this is where the building is at, and I want to focus more on the street. And there's this kind of interesting building straight ahead too. Before we get to it, let's just kind of take a look at that 5-story structure again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rooftop. So those are kind of rooftops up there. And then look at that rooftop. It's kind of like, actually you can kind of see the marker at the top. Looks like they built a whole other cement level because it's a little bit uneven from the rest. And then, but I'm kind of interested and intrigued by this yellow building. It looks really interesting because it has like, it's really narrow and it has these balconies. Huh. Let's just kind of go check it out, get a little closer. Huh. Kind of a Portuguese theme. Let's see. Huh. Got like all kinds of stuff in here. Looks like maybe kids live here. Maybe. I think there's plants. Okay. So yeah, that looks pretty interesting. There's a beautiful balcony as well. This is kind of. Oh, it's a store. So it's actually a store, Tung Fong. So there's actually a store in here. Looks pretty cool. They're selling products there. Looks really amazing. Actually kind of interesting too. So anyways, that's not gonna be our focus. We're gonna keep on walking down the street, but I just didn't know what that building was, but the design is really beautiful. It's funny they would make a store out of it. I'd kind of expect all kinds of interesting things could happen, but a store, I don't know if you could make that much money off of it. But if you had like a restaurant or something where you could sit out on the balcony or something, it might be quite interesting, I would think. Anyways. Okay, let's check out our theory again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is actually 6, so, but I think this is all like one level. I think this is, maybe it's considered ground and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sometimes I'm kind of including those when I do that. Because actually I think, you know, like a lot of times it's like ground and then 1, 2, 3. It's different than like some countries 1 is at the bottom, but this one there'll be G at the bottom. You see, this is a toilet seats, colder kitchen. It's kind of cool. Love veggie, so it's a veggie restaurant. And then you kind of have these food right there too. Looks kind of cool. Okay. Outdoor seating as well. Appliances. So I think what we're gonna do is that's our street right there. There's another cross street right there. There's a bunch of people with suitcases traveling, I guess. Let's see if we can get across. I kind of want to get across, film that one thing again. That's our street. There we go. Estrada do Coelho de Amaral. So this street marks this one right here. So we're gonna come back this way. And that marks this whole street right there, so you can kind of see how cool it looks. So let's just end it right in that space right there. And we also have this kind of interesting space too. Okay.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.